Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this few minutes Java tutorial, I'm going to explain about loops. So loops having three types: for loop, while loop, do while loop. Okay, I'll explain one by one. Let's get started. First of all, what is loop? So, loop help you to avoid repeating code manually. Java having a three types. They are for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Okay. The correct definition is a loop allows you to repeat a block of codes as long as condition is true. Okay. This is a loop. Let's see one by one. First one is the for loop. How you will use for loop? Then when you will use for loop. Okay. First, first of all, when you will use for loop. So the for loop is the best when you know how many times to run. Then only you have to use for loop. So for loop having three parts. Okay, first one is start, then condition and update. Okay, how it will start? Initialize in I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Okay, so what it will print? System dot out at println I increment. I want 2, 3, 4, 5. It will print 5 because will given as update I plus plus, right? That's why. Okay, so it matches the statement. When you will know how many times to run, then only you have to use for loop. Okay, okay, I think you got it. Next one is the while loop. When you will use while loop, so when you don't know in advance how many times you will loop, it will checks the condition before running the code. Okay, it will checks the condition before running the code. Okay, let's see how. See, initialize I equal to 1 while I less than or equal to 5. Then only print system.out.println I. Okay, I plus plus. If the initialization is less than or equal to 5, then only print I plus plus. Okay, this is the while loop. Next one is the do while loop. When you will use the do while loop, so is a similar to while, but it checks the condition after running the code. So it always run at least once. Okay, see, first it will take initialize I equal to 1, do system.out.println and I plus plus. Then it will check while I less than or equal to 5. So that's why it's always run at least once. Next one is loop control statements in Java. What are the loop control statements in Java? And you can control loop by using break to exit early. So continue to skip current iterations. So let's see if I equal to 3, right? Is skipped. Okay, you got it? Okay, I'll explain one by one. For initialize I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. If I equal to 3, continue. Continue, it means it will skipped. So system.out.println I. This is a loop control statement in Java. So, optional practice question. You guys have to try writing a for loop that prints even numbers from 2 to 10. Post the solution in the comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.